Hey y'all, I just wanted to give you some information about how to do this particular AmaNote, and I'll give you a demonstration. So really there's two things. When you look at the section 2 or lesson 2 in our book, it'll talk about the different climate zones. And so what I would like you to do is, I think one is called temperate. Take notes on each type of climate zone. So you can do that from the text, or you can use the graphic that's on page, I think, 56 and 57 of the textbook. So, for example, one I think is temperate. So you can put the climate zone name here, and then you can write the characteristics over here. I wanted to point out, because it will be helpful on the second page, but you can also do it here. You can switch view mode and make it bigger. Well, okay, it changed. Okay, good. And then you can make that go down and write the characteristics here. So in the middle latitude, whatever the characteristics of the temperate climate zone is. Middle latitudes. And just, you don't have to write sentences, because in a graphic organizer, you're really just taking short little snippets of notes. Okay. So that's what I want you to do here. There are 5 that are here and 5 in your book. But if you notice, each type of climate zone has sub-climate zones. So if you were talking about the temperate one, oh man, I'd have to look. I don't even remember. Oh, I'm going to cheat. Okay. For example, the temperate, oh my gosh. Yeah, there it is. No. Anyway, you can see it here. The polar climate has 3 subclimates. So, and you can put that in your AmaNote. So if we wanted to go back to our AmaNote, if it will do it, and then add here polar over here. Well, under here you can say subarctic, tundra, and whatever else the other one was, I forgot. Ice cap. Okay. So overall, there's a polar climate, and then you can list the 3 subcategories right here. And then over here, you can describe what a polar climate is like. All right. That's what I would like you to do for this page. Now the second page, let me delete this. The second page, you get to color some stuff. Ooh, I did not spell temperate correct. Okay, so then you can click onto the next page, and you should, of course, close that. See this world climate map. Now, it has a legend, and I just want to point out that there's 6 here instead of 5 that you learned about. But if you look right here, boom, highlighter. It's talking about the 2 temperate zones. So this is like a combo. This is a division of 1 climate zone that we already looked at. Okay, they're just saying a warm temperate climate zone and a cool temperate climate zone. So what I'd like you to do is actually color in the different climates. So I might use green. Let's see, I don't know how. That might work. Okay. Might use green to represent tropical. Now, I know you might not be able to get all of it, so what I would suggest virtual students is find the tropical or whatever climate zone, and then maybe just outline it the best you can. I mean, you can color it in if you want to, but it might take a little bit. Oh, there's a little bit of Madagascar. Does it have to be extremely accurate? No. Okay. But I do want you to make sure that you update your legend to reflect the different colors that you're using on your map. Okay. And you can use whatever colors you want to. There are 4 colors here, but I think you can change it to other colors as well. Okay. And maybe I'll do a polar climate in the purple. So that would definitely be down here. And if you just wanted to draw lines or squigglies in there, you could. But if you're OCD like me, I'd want it really nice. But that's just me. Don't forget to look up here because there's probably some up here too. Anyway, so that's kind of what I'm going with on this map. So like in my blended classes, they're going to have colored pencils and they can color it that way. But virtual kiddos, this is how I want you to do it. Wow, I could do this all day. So, but I'm not. But if you have any questions on specifically what you need to do on the Amino assignment, and of course you're going to want to export it as a PDF. All right. Make sure you do that before you upload it to the assignment page. All right. I'm not going to save it because then it'll save, I think, on yours the same way. But to change the view again is up here, view, switch view mode to like the standard one, because that would be extremely hard to work with, I think, here. That's the second page. Here's the first page again. Second page, again, if you want to change the view, go to view, switch view mode. You can also zoom in as well, or zoom out if you need to. Okay? All right. Oop. And to get rid of this part, you can click the little down arrow and then manipulate it that way. All righty? Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Out.